We traveled to Paris for our vacation last year. We traveled to Paris for our vacation last year. She cleaned her room in the morning. She cleaned her room in the morning. My friend called me in the evening. My friend called me in the evening. We attended a concert on Saturday. We attended a concert on Saturday. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. She cooked a delicious dinner yesterday. She cooked a delicious dinner yesterday. He played soccer with his friends. He played soccer with his friends. They watched a movie over the weekend. They watched a movie over the weekend. He finished his homework last night. He finished his homework last night. I went to the market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday.